from overloaded trucks traveling to Shillong. The arrest followed a widely circulated telephonic conversation captured by a local media outlet in Shillong, where Dkhar admitted to charging Rs 1,500 as a fee for allowing overloaded trucks to cross the Umiam bridge. A suo moto case was initiated against Bless Dkhar. On the 31st of October 2023, the district and sessions judge instructed the Meghalaya Police to detain Bless Dkhar, the Hnyf East Khasi Hills president, for 3 days of police custody for further questioning into the matter. On the night of 30th October 2023, the Meghalaya Police apprehended Bless Dkhar, the president of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Front (Hnyf), from Pohkseh, Shillong. This action was taken in connection to his alleged involvement in the unauthorized collection of fees